Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best rolling cooler. So let's get started. Number 7. Igloo Ice Cube Roller Cooler. As nice as it is to have a premium unit, such as the Pelican 55 Quart, I think it's often sensible to bring things back to basics. That's why I'm quite keen on this Igloo cooler. No frills and no unnecessary extras, just a basic wheeled cooler that's not going to break the bank. This no-nonsense product is ideal as either a second unit or one that's just going to be used occasionally. With a capacity of 60 quarts, it's more than sufficient to transport both food and drinks for a family of 4. Number 6. Miley Heavy Duty Wheeled Cooler. There's little fun in discovering a product you bought isn't fit for its purpose. In the case of this cooler, that's not going to be the case. Described as heavy duty, it genuinely lives up to its name. Make no mistake, if you're looking for the most robust wheeled cooler available, there are few better than this. It's perfect for people who are going to be pushing, or pulling, their outdoor cooling to the absolute max. Starting with the 2 wheels, it's more of a tractor than a cooler. Massive 7-inch rubberized wheels, combined with a deep tread, means that this product can handle any terrain. Number 5. Pelican Products Pro Gear Elite. I've frequently found that the names of products can be misleading. Sneaky manufacturers often include terms such as ultimate, premium, or supreme to lead you into thinking this must be the best item available. More often than not, this can result in some disappointment when you discover that the product doesn't live up to its name. Hence, I was pleased to find with the Pelican Elite, that's precisely what this cooler is, elite. Just looking at its insulation performance, you can immediately tell this is one serious cooler. Number 4. Igloo Glide Pro Cooler. Let me be honest with you, I'm not the strongest of people. Despite resolving every January to join the gym, I always find some excuse to procrastinate and put it off until the following year. That's why any product that makes lifting easier is a godsend, and that's the case with this wheeled cooler. The unique design of the slide and lock extendable handles increases leverage. This makes raising tit effortless and straightforward. Even if, like me, you lack in the power department, it's easy to move. Number 3. Pelican 55 QW White Tailgater Cooler. Sometimes life needs a little luxury. Practical and sensible has its place, but often it's nice to have something a little extra. This wheeled cooler is one of the most finely crafted available. While a little on the pricey side, it is desirable. After all, diamonds don't come cheap, right? The 55 quart capacity and 29.25 inches by 18 inches footprint may at first seem a little limiting. Yet, it's the quality of all the components that make this product stand out. Number 2. Coleman 16 Quart Personal. There's a temptation to think that bigger is better, but that's not always the case. Most of the wheeled coolers mentioned above are excellent for large get-togethers or extended breaks. But what if you need something a little more compact? Despite its small footprint of 14.9 inches by 10.8 inches, it's deceivingly spacious. The 16 quart capacity will allow you to cool up to 22 cans, or even 2 2-liter soda bottles stored upright, still with enough room for some tasty snacks. Number 1. VINGLI 80 Quart Rolling. The VINGLI 80 Quart Rolling Ice Chest happens to be my last pick in this roundup. It is a new brand in the market, but it is definitely great in terms of keeping drinks and food cold or warm. Unlike other coolers, the VINGLI 80 Quart has a special design and sturdy construction. You can definitely count on it if you are looking for a nice cooler for outdoor and indoor occasions. This particular cooler comes with multi-directional rolling wheels that make transportation a breeze. 2 of the caster wheels have locks that keep them in place. It also has a handle that you can use when pushing the cooler.